WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you should find the desired language. As you can see here, you've got access to all languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me choose English. Here you can also change some vision settings or use the emergency to make some emergency calls. If you are ready, let's choose let's go. You can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let's tap skip for now. You can set up your device as a new, or you can copy some data by using some backup. In my case, let me have a fresh start. Let me don't copy any backup. And here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's also not necessary. You can bypass this step by choosing skip. But in my case, let me connect my device to a Wi-Fi. It's always a good idea to have the internet access. The device is checking for updates, so let's wait a few seconds. And here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary, you can easily skip it by using that key. But the Google account enables a few interesting features and a few interesting options, so let me do it. Let me use my email. You can also use the phone number, or you can even create a new Google account if you would like to. But in my case, the existing Google account will be fine. Tap next. Now you need to enter the password, so let me do it. Wait a few seconds. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose here next. Let me tap agree to the following terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info, so let's wait a couple of seconds. The phone is getting account information. Alright, so here you can unlock your device with the fingerprint, so you can set up the fingerprint protection, or you can also skip it and do it later in settings. So for now, let me choose skip anyway. Here you've got some Google services, so you can here enable or disable backup to Google Drive. You can help apps find your location, or you can also improve location accuracy and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled and let's tap next. Alright, the device is checking some information. Here you can meet your Google Assistant, so you can check out the Google Assistant options. Tap next. In my case, let me choose no thanks to the following location history. Here you can also add another email account and use other features. In my case, let me choose all set for now. The phone is adding some finishing touches. Let me tap next to the following information. Tap next to the following info one more time. Let me skip the following features. Tap here more and accept or decline. You can check out the WIKO services right here. Alright, that's it. The home screen pops up, so everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.